sa ating pangarap, lagi kayong sa pagliban. Thank you all so much, AT. I love you all so much. We will bring back these experiences, memories with you guys. Maraming salamat po. Again, this is our home. This is our zone. This has been MSP